Have you ever watched a user click the back button 10 times just to find their way home? It's physically painful to watch. Stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to show you the exact breadcrumb framework I use to drop bounce rate by 40%. Welcome to Concept 24. Breadcrumbs get their name from the fairy tale Hansel and Gretel, who left their trail of crumbs to find their way out of the forest. In UX, breadcrumbs are a secondary navigation system that shows users exactly where they are in the website's hierarchy. They tell the user, here is how deep you are, and here is your instant escape route. If your app is more than 2 levels deep, breadcrumbs aren't optional, they are mandatory. But you can't just slap a text at the top of the screen. There are three specific types of breadcrumbs. Number 1, location based. This is standard hierarchy. Number 2, attribute based. This is for e-commerce. It shows the filters applied. And number 3, path based. This shows the exact historical steps the user took to get there. Spoiler alert for 2026. Avoid path based. Users have a browser back button for that. Stick to location or attribute. Here is the biggest mistake junior designers make. They use breadcrumbs to replace the primary navigation. Never do this. Breadcrumbs are the sidekick, not the superhero. If you hide your main menu just because you added breadcrumbs, your users will feel trapped. Keep them small, keep them subtle, and always use the standard greater than symbol as a separator. At the start of the video, I promised you my strategy for dropping bounce rates. The secret is interactive breadcrumbs on mobile. Instead of letting breadcrumbs wrap into two ugly lines on a phone, use a horizontal scrolling breadcrumbs trial with a subtle fade effect. I just integrated this exact responsive logic into the UI of the SaaS template I am launching. You can test the live demo right now at my website sindura.org. Stop making your users feel lost. Give them the breadcrumbs. That was concept 24 of our 100 UI UX concept series. In the next episode, we are tackling a massive debate: sidebars versus top navigation. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And let me know in the comments what is your favorite e commerce site to shop on. See you next time. Bye bye.